Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your booking on Agoda. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in agoda.com and press enter. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top section and log in using your login credentials. Now once you are logged in, you can look for any hotels or apartment that you want to book. Just go ahead and look for the various offers that are available. Once you find a suitable offer for you, you can go ahead and finalize your booking after checking out the offers. Now after you have done your booking, if you wish to cancel it, then simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on bookings. This will then take you into your bookings page where you will see all of your bookings. You can simply click on the cancel button that will be displayed alongside each booking to cancel your booking. And after you cancel it, it will appear underneath the cancelled menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel your booking on Agoda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.